Hello. To I always wonder if my audio is out of sync with my mouth. Blah, blah, blah. Anyway, welcome to another session of Thrashing Code with yours truly, me, Adrian. Sup? Um, Today, what are we doing today? It's a secret. We're just gonna do it. No, I'm kidding. So, what is getting done today? Today, I am going to get back into an app that we kind of started a while back. It's called Burster, and it's kind of a cleanup of the Twits app. It's going to be a little bit more focused around breaking out the code appropriately to handle Twitter back and forth and this and that and whatever. So we're going to work on that some today. And I've already pulled it up. It is right here. So far, not a lot to it. Here is the main that executes command following the Cobra library. If you want to dig into that, check out this right here. I'll pull it up and show you real quick. I'm not going to go too much into depth around it. But like Cobra, what is it? Let's hear SPF 13 Cobra. It's this library right here. Great library to build CLIs with. Technically, I think that, if you're going to build a CLI, use Go. Stop using Python. Stop using things that require massive frameworks and libraries and all sorts of stuff on the system that you're going to ship the CLI to. If it doesn't build into a binary, just please stop doing that. Oh, God, it's so frustrating. With this, though, it builds into a binary, a singular binary, which I can then ship to whatever operating system I want it to be shipped to, whether that's Windows or Linux or Mac or frickin' FreeBSD, whatever. I can ship it, and it's frickin' awesome. So it's got a lot of capabilities around flags and blah, 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 blah. All that good stuff, right? That's great. Here we are, got a basic root command in here. So that's set up. It's ready to go. Not much else to do there. And really, it's just time to get into the code, right? I don't think there's a lot to say. Yeah, there's our first little bit. It's basically a longer description right here. Cobra is a CLI that da-da-da-da. That's this bit, right? So we know that this is running. That's the important thing, that it is running the way we expect it to be running. All right, so one of the first things, let's see where this actually subsists. Where in the world did my tools, a window, is it there? I want my terminal in the browser. I don't know what happened to the terminal. Or the whole bottom bar for that matter. Like what happened to the bottom bar? Do I right click on it? Whatever. So it's Alt F12, I believe. So let's see, I need to do Alt F12. And that brings up the terminal. Okay, so that's the shortcut key that I just hit to bring that up. There we go. So we can do go build, and you'll notice, boom, Burster right there. The green bit is the executable. So we got a good build here, right? Let's see what our Git status is. It's not a repo yet. So let's make this a repo and get it on GitHub, so everybody can get at it, right? Default start as open source. So back out to GitHub. All right, do I have Burster? I thought I had put it out here. Oh, I did put it out here. What is this? That looks like exactly what I just pulled up. So maybe I already put this out here. what it looks like. So let's do this. Grab that and then get this. And remote add origin. Oops, that. There we go. And then let's add. Let's add a. Oh, actually, let's add an ignore file. Oh, come on. It's trying to put it way off on the other screen. I want y'all to see what I'm freaking clicking on. Dad burn it. Well, anyway, so I'm over here. There's an ignore file option, and then there's a billion different options for it. Why is that? Oh, there it is. So, new. Why is that knocked out now? That's kind of weird. Oh, that's because that I gotta do this. Okay, it's on the other window. Anyway, I'm clicking .get ignore file and then going down and finding. There's so many ignore files. Just standard get ignore file, and then it lets me pick the one that I want. So I want to do a C, D, E, F, G. There's go. I just saw it. Where'd it go? There it is. So it's gonna give me that. And then, yeah, let's just go ahead and generate it. There we go. And then get in here, and we need to add these other bits. So .ds store for all the Mac stuff, .ida to ignore this directory for GoLand. And let's see here, let's get add .get ignore, get commit, get status actually. Yeah, that's what we wanted. Get, add, get, commit. First, oops. Let's commit, get, pull. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, get, pull, origin master. Okay. Why? Don't try to merge them. Anyway, get, push. -u origin master. Get pull. Does that work? Shit. What is force? .f. Yeah. So get pull origin master force. Clear. Okay. There we go. Then what are we looking at? All right, we still got that. Root looks okay. It actually looks like it pulled a bunch of copied in stuff in. Oh, raid. The Michael Jolly brings the mosh pit. Welcome to my channel, everybody. I'm currently slinging some Go because I need to sling some Go. I was writing C# earlier and I need a morale boost, so it's to Go. That's what I'm doing. So let's see here. Who all joined now? We got a whole slew in this party now, huh? Oh, my dashboard's all hosed up. Slinging some dope. No slinging, no dope slinging today. Try to keep my dope slinging for Friday. Oh man. Yeah, so welcome to the stream, everybody. I just stuck this repo out here. So far, it's basically a simple Go Cobra app. Doesn't do much, but we're about to make it do some more stuff. And about to make it do Well, nothing specific. We're gonna talk about and then make some features that it needs, implement some features that it needs. I just realized my, oh, well, whoops. Anyway, bear with me. I'm clicking on some buttons real quick. I love it. Like it's, oh yeah, yeah. It says it rated with 31 viewers. Hosted the stream with 26 viewers still on. And then, hey, JD Hirsch, welcome to the mosh pit. One of these days, I'm going to do just like Michael Jolly, and I'm going to have a welcome to the mosh pit song for people that follow and a mosh pit song for people who want to subscribe. It's going to be super badass. That'll be coming up in the next couple of weeks because I actually got all my instruments and stuff finally put together after a huge house renovation. Totally exhausting just thinking about the fact that we're wrapping up a house renovation. Like, oh my God, I don't wish that kind of interruption on anybody. It's so frustrating. I mean, it's beautiful. I love it. I'm so thankful. Had awesome people help us out and everything. It's been great, but you know, it's a lot of work and you get it done. You're like, all right, now stuff works and things are nice. So it's time for me to set up the studio bits with the instruments. And I might have some real music for y'all where I'm going to actually play stuff. And it's not just going to be like this canned pretzel rock and roll or whatever thrashy bits that I can find that don't get me dinged every 5 minutes for you violated copyright, even though I'm just trying to like spread the word about cool new music. So anyway, back to the code though. So this bit, I got a simple build and then there's build config. I started adding that last time, which, excuse me, I probably need to get into that again. Let's see. So what do I need? I need a burster config file. Why does that? The file thing keeps showing up on the other screen for whatever stupid reason. YAML. Do I want to do? Yeah. Why not? I guess, right? I mean, everybody freaking does YAML these days. Whoops! I didn't want to do an underscore in front of it though. I wanted to do. Whoops! Where's my rename? Where's my edit? Oh, probably refactor, then rename. There we go. There we go. All right. So burster YAML. Then the mods and stuff. The main root. Okay. So one of the first things I want to do is we're going to build it very similar to what I did with Twits, where it parses a file of Twitter users, but we're going to make it do some other specific things. And right here, I'm going to say, let's go with this and then say parse. Yeah. So we need to come up with a build for that, or get a build for it, I should say. So let's actually do this, dupe that, and then we'll just call this parse. All right, and then environment, program arguments, config. This is gonna be parse. Then I think, yeah, we just want parse. And then in here in the burster, we're gonna have the file. Should we do that, or should I have it? Should I pass the file? I feel like I should pass the file. Let's go out here and create the kind of. This will be our file that'll have random junk in it. Twitters.txt, like so. And then I'm just gonna paste a bunch of stuff in there that I have. And then what I want to do is. It's here. I don't need that opened. Forestry ammo. Oh, let's do it where. Let's say file. Text. Config file dot text like that. Okay. So that's going to be our file. Let's create another file. This will be another sample thing. It'll be Twitter. Let's do this. Let's create a folder. We're going to call it samples. I'm going to put this in here like that. And then we're going to have another one. I'm making a Go CLI. That's basically what I'm making. So it's here twitterers.config file.text. Now I kind of want to do, just want to do a straight build too. Let's do build. No, I don't really want to do that. I'm going to do this, this. Okay. And then in here though, I'm going to put just me for now. Actually, somebody else. Who's somebody else's Twitter? Is the Michael Jolly? Let's Michael Jolly. Is that actually his Twitter? No. It must be just Michael Jolly then. Nope, that's some other dude. Right, is his Twitter on here? That looked like some politician dude. Where is... It's me. Doesn't he have his Twitter? Yeah. Oh, how did I... Oh, I messed up his last name. Sorry. Sorry, I'm not good at the words, spellings in the words. Alright, so... Alright, we got him on there. Yeah, it's great when you spell stuff right. Computers know what the hell you're trying to do, and it's much better then, you know? Alright, so we got those two, and I want it to kind of, basically, like if I pass it a file, which I'm going to do in a minute, we'll see how that goes. Let's see here, I want to do Go CLI Cobra. It's getting a little toasty. It's plenty warm in here, so. Oh, there's a just for funk doing the CLI tools with Cobra. But anyway, getting in here. Hey, Chris, what's up? What's up? Trying to build, not trying, we're building a Go app again, Go CLI app. So help flag. I want to do like -f something. I wonder if I have the Cobra CLI. I could probably just do like, let me actually get rid of this. Because see, when I just create a file, I just got that in there. But if I go and do this, and then, where's my, why did my bar lose all this stuff? Anyway, let's do Cobra. Is it using the Cobra generator? I could do Cobra add thing. Yeah, okay, Cobra add parse. Yeah, so then, yeah, there we go. Oh, and we need to do Cobra add config, Cobra add config, wait, whoops, add view, and then what is it? It's -p, or no, wait, add -p, yeah, -p, command config, write that in Cobra add equal -p, command config, then Cobra add move. Should I do that or should I do remove? RM or remove? I'm pretty good, Chris. Was just babbling about how renovations are done, so gonna get back to putting some music hopefully on the stream this coming next weekend or two. Let's do this one like this, and then we'll do Cobra add remove -p, command config. Basically do the same thing, right? And then Cobra, so add remove view. Should probably do an update one, huh? Like add update config. Let's do that. Update -p, command config. So that's all the config stuff. Then we got parse. Cobra add parse. Then we would do export, and then that'll have flags for getting it out to a database. All right, so here's the thing I want to do though. So let's do this, and then let's add this. I want to add some regular Twitter accounts, and what I want to do is be able to have either or get printed out as just either the @Twitter name or the HTTPS ://twitter.com/ whatever the username is, right? So like it is on this, right? So if we go to twitter.com/ let's get Birriado. So talked to him just like a week or two ago on a Twitch chat about open source at Microsoft. Good conversation. So like this is one way, one format you can get an account. And then let's look at open at Microsoft. Or no, who are people that'd be interested in a database? Anybody out there, y'all interested in using a new database service? Free, it don't cost no money. I'm looking to create a list of people who I want to ping to get their 2 cents about a thing, right? About the product we're about to release at DataStax. So I've been putting together a list of people, right? So like here's Rob, let's do that. And then here's Sean. Whoops, I got his status, not just his name. There we go. All right, who else should I add? Anybody out there want in on first dibs on an account for Apollo with DataStax? Basically, it's Cassandra as a service. And for the first sign up, you can get freebie 72-hour long accounts. Or I should say the accounts are permanent. You get to keep the account. But you can sign up and create databases that'll stay around for 72 hours for you to test drive it. And you can create databases that like are going to be permanent too. But it's just an option to like use a wicked ass distributed database for free to test drive it. So if you're into that, let me know your Twitter, or just let me know how to get in touch with you, email or whatever, and I'll hook you up. So let's see here. Who else? I'm going through my notifications here. Probably have pinged every single person on my notifications. Yeah, that's a pretty long list. Oh, I know what I could do. I just go How do you internet? Profile and then tweets, following, followers. Let's do followers. Right through here. Let's see here. Data scientist. Okay, cool. Gotta follow you. Pivotal guy. Community builder, SFO. I don't know. What do you do, Brian Chang? Tech advo guy? I don't actually understand. So if you're out there, Brian, let me know. I'll hook you up. Let's see, your chief data scientist in Reliancy, PhD in machine learning. Tweeting on this. DevOps advocate. PagerDuty. Yeah, Julie. I don't know. That's a lot of numbers after your username, person. That does not look like a real account. Ryan, a liberal former Marine. Okay, that sounds like a real person. Gracious, who in the world follows me? What is travel fuel? I don't know. Come on, there's got to be. Oh, this Rosalind looks awesome. Like she'd be real interested in digging into a database, and breaking stuff. Just former Microsoft shop environments. Grant Watson. Here, I'll follow this. Oh, it's got a lock on it, an account. That could be seriously scary. There could be some dangerous shit in there. All about dangerous. Developer Rocket Labs. Maybe. All right, coffee drinker, command line junkie. All right, John, you sound like you'd be interested in this. James Bentley, veteran Buckeye. So what do you do now? I guess you're a geographer now? You were in the military? That's cool. I don't want to bug you though, unless you would actually be interested in this. Software dev for 21 years. My reputation precedes me, unfortunately. Life's maturing. John Davis. Yeah, I'm a ping you. And let's see here. Developer at large. Yeah, I'll go with Ben. Andy in Wonderland. Software developer. Oh, I'm gonna ping it none. Ross. I don't know. You're what is this? Really? Really? Feel like I should just report this. This is so spammy. All right, let's hear. Yeah, Mike Brown. Mike's cool. Kate. Let's hear. All right. I bet I could get. She would be great to offer some sense on that. At Percona. Huh. Well, I'm gonna follow you, Peter. Regular life, hype as fuck. Jaboob is loving life. All right, yep, you're getting in there too. And then yeah, that's pretty good looking. That's a good list. Oh, we gotta get Matt in there. I'm gonna get Fernando in there too. And it's not labs. All right, Pato. Oh, and Jess. Met Jess recently. Jess is awesome. Jessie, not Jess. Jessie. Sorry, my bad. Is this Archie? I'm gonna follow Archie too. I bet Archie's cool. Oh, and Ajmal. Let's see, who else? Who else should I invite? Like, what is this account? That looks spammy too. This definitely looks spammy. Just don't even know half the time. Nope, gonna add Kate and Eli. We got Laura in there. Rhea. Yep, okay, that's good. So let's get those in there. Sorry, I got totally lost in that. But, you know, we'll get there. Whoops. It's a dog. Oh, my throat feels like it's been bashed. Hate that. Okay, Pond. What's this? Ah, funny. Oops. They had a good turnout at the meeting. It's pretty decent. People in their RSVPs that don't ever show up. Come on, people, stop doing that shit. If you ain't gonna go, don't RSVP. I mean, Meetup don't exactly make it easy to keep up with or not keep up with that crap, though. All right, that's good. Boom. Okay. There's my smaller file. Okay. So over here then, we got this Twitter, and then, yeah, so I want to be able to run parse, and then let's do a parse with file passed. So we're gonna do -f, I mean, and then the file name, which will be twitterers.txt. Like that. So if I did a go build, it would basically, I typed all that backwards. It's config command that needs to be in there. And I did, let's hear it. This one. Let's go here. There we go. There. And here. No biggie. Get this fixed quick. That was just that generated bit. I typed it wrong in there. Okay. I think that's all good. Yeah. Oh. It's gonna be less than 5 minutes for sure. Less than 2 minutes. I'm gonna jump up and grab a drink real quick. It's just from the fridge. So have no fear. I'll be back super quick. And like I was saying, I'll be back real quick. So let's talk drinks for a second, right? Amazon Energy, right? Yeah. This is a weird, tasty one. Tastes like grape drink, kind of, but it's acai berry. I used to call it acai berry, but I guess it's acai. I don't understand letters. They don't make sense. They're all weird, different, and shit. So anyway, Jungle Love, yo. Also, in random nitpicky stuff to collect. Yep, that's right. McMiniman's sandstone thingy, tumbled marble or something like that. It's pretty cool. I got some of these from a friend. Anyway, they were a gift. Thanks. They're pretty handy. I use them for holding my cups and stuff. As you can see right there, boom, there it is. But you know, just figured I'd share some of the insanity of behind the camera magic. I love how this is like goofed up my damn screen. Let me fix my screen real quick. Boom. Look at there. Perfect. Okay. Anyway, back in it. All right, we got these code bits here. That looks like it should build now, right? Oh, that was a long build. That was pretty weird. So now, if I do burster, I should see this with all the config, export, help, parse. Yep, okay. And then I can do burster config, right? Config called, or this h, whoops, not /gh. There we go. Ah, there. See, now it's got add, remove, rm, update, and view. And, you know, I'm going to be verbose. We're getting rid of rm. I don't want to do that. There we go. All right, so now, whoops, got to rebuild it. There we go. So now just add, remove, update, and view for our config. That's good. So let's get in there. And with the config, we're going to need, let's do this. Let's add a folder. Configuration. I don't know how this should go in there, but let's do this, and then let's add, we're going to need a Go file. What's the shortcut key for new file? New. Shouldn't there be a frickin' thing for that? Anyway. Okay, so we're going to have, there's going to be a couple things that we need to do, right? We need to, in the config, be able to basically add, update, and delete configuration settings. And right now I have one configuration setting in there for the file, and that's it. So we're gonna do configuration. Let's do, oh, whoops, wrong thing, wrong button. Just call it CRUD for now. And then we're gonna do, oh, whoops. Oh God, CRUD underscore tests, like that. I believe that's the syntax that you're supposed to use. Let's check. Go test. So actually the rest of the session, we're probably gonna be doing quite a bit of get the test framework thing to work. That's kind of a focus point. I think I need to bring my coffee machine home today too. The complexities of life, y'all. Seriously. Do what, when, where, how. Shit. Anyway, all right, so testing in Go. I honestly am super bad at this. So we need a this basically, right? Inside of this to test thing, right? Okay, that did that, and we don't care about this. But okay, that stuff can stay. But then crud in here, we need like func, add, config, no wait. Let's do, what is it, configuration? Oh, validate, configuration, like the parameters that I'd pass in, I need to validate them. So validate params, right? So I can validate the key value pair. There you go. Okay, so that'd be good. The out would be bool. In would be string, or key string, value string is what it would be. Like that. Then we'd return false. That's our basic skeleton there. And over here, we want to do if configuration. No. What the heck did I just call it? Oh, validate params. Validate params not equal to true. Wait, so do we? Oh, no, is that how you have to do it? Is that how you have to do this? This is why testing is such crap in Go. God, blah, 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 one. I just want to write one simple test first. It's equal to true. No, I just wanted to there, whatever. Actually, let's look for a good Go framework. Go testing framework. Frameworks. BDD testing framework. There we go. Yeah. Assertion and mockers. Go standard library. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about right here. Heavyweight BDD testing framework. Ginkgo. Goblin. Assertion helpers. I think, okay, so here's Ginkgo. Hey, Ginkgo, yay. And then this is Goblin. Okay, Goblin's pretty badass. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Hell yeah. Ooh, look at that. That's kind of nice, too. It's all pretty and stuff. Set me up. Okay, go get stuff. Unit style test, testify, go check. Okay, I'm gonna dig into that later, I think. Featureless. Ginkgo's uses Go testing package and can live alongside your existing tests. It's easy to bootstrap and supplied. No, I just wanted to run the same way I wanted to run as Go tests. Go tests, okay. And this runs like that, right? Oh, I have to run it with Ginkgo? Oh, no. It's convenient, but purely optional. Ginkgo works with Go test. Okay, so. Go Mega. Okay, I'm gonna take a stab at Ginkgo here first. So let's do this. Go. Boom. All right, that's working. And here. Oh, where'd it go? Start rolling. Keep reading. Okay. That's what I want. There we go. A lot more stuff. Anyway. Oh, let's do that. What? What? I have to do a whole. You'll need the Go command line tones. Ginkgo says for 1.6 follow. What is this though? That looks weird. Doesn't it look weird, y'all? Set up a new Ginkgo suite. Huh. All right, let's do it. Ginkgo bootstrap. Ah, what you fussing about? Come on. Didn't I just do this? I did just do that. Whatever. Here are my two that have gained traction. Testify and Go check. Ginkgo's. Oh yeah. So let's do this, and that. Okay, and then let's keep reading. Oh, it goes to here. Okay. Well, let's do this in a separate path. Yeah, let's do that. All right. We're gonna do make dir testing frameworks experiment. And then we're gonna do these 2 bits. Ah. Oh, I need to do. I am not good at typing this, I just realized. This is supposed to freaking do that. All right, whatever. While we're doing this, everybody remember, click on follow. If you want to, hit sub. I am going to have some cool icons and other things for subs very soon. So if you want to wait till then, I get it. I don't really have anything beyond just me. But yeah, follow. Make sure to join me in the future. I do a bunch of stuff like this. Going to be recording music and do some other miscellaneous things here and there too. Like go over some insane bike adventures and other shit like that. Sometimes I even show you wrecks that other people have, hopefully. It always seems somebody's out there always running into some shit somewhere, like on a daily. I don't know. Y'all ever look at that? That's crazy. Somebody drove into a building again just yesterday. You know, it's always like, how do you drive into a building? Seriously. Like, nah, you don't do that. It's like driving into a train. You know where the train's going. It's on the tracks. Well, okay. Mostly they're on the tracks. Sometimes they come off the tracks. But even then, like most of the people that hit a train literally drive into the side of the train. How do you do that? You have to be A-grade idiot to do some shit like that. That's just not cool. Don't run into trains. Don't run into buildings. Don't run into anything, matter of fact. Like, chill. You know, learn to control your devices. All right. Anyway, testing frameworks. So we got that. So now I can do gank call. Yeah. So nothing there. All right. So let's try this again though. Gank go with bootstrap. All right. Generating thing. So okay. So things there now. And then we want to go gank go generate. What? Whatever. Okay, that just opened this. So that's what that looks like. What? Run specs. Okay. All right, that we got somewhere. So let's get back over here, back into what we were working on, which was, oh yeah, burster. Back into configuration, and let's actually remove CRUD test. There we go. Yeah, and then let's do gank go generate. And a package directory under the go path source. Oh, maybe this and then. Barp. What seemed to have done a thing, sort of. So let's take a look at that. Configuration test. CRUD. Okay. CRUD. Package configuration test. Wow, it's in its own thing. That's interesting. Oh, let's do this. Rename. There we go. And then, all right, so be configuration.validate params. Describe, what the heck? God. All right, how about just some examples? So bootstrapping is sweet, right? You can test for package as first bootstrap test suite, so you can have package name books. Oh. Ah, okay, let's do that then. That's what I should have done. Go bootstrap. Go. Why can't I spell that? Huh. Sorry, I had to tweet. Got a tweet. There we go. All right, so, okay. I did that. What do I got to do? Do this? Maybe that will get it done. Why are we still red? Stop being red. So you said you finished successfully, but you're flipping out. Huh. And I am running modules just to verify here. Yes, okay. All right. Come on, I just want to write a freaking test. Don't make me like use the default shit. Cause it's, yeah, that's what I got, right? Yeah. It's red, but it's not. It's. All right, whatever. Yep, sure. All right, so then it says after you do that, what? Add specs to a suite. That's what I want to do. Specify the package alongside the books package. Okay. Go test. Yeah. Adding specs. I want to add a spec. So var describe. All right, so let's get one over here then. So there's that. Package books test. It's configuration test. Yep. So then describe. Not book though. Configuration. I like this syntax. Okay, so before each. Okay, let's do that then. Let's create, yeah. Var. What did I call? Oh yeah, key equals. Oh, actually, let's do var key value strings. Right. So then key equals. Let's do. This is my key. Then value equals this is my value. All right. Oh, and then what's shoot? The other thing I got to do though is like if I do add persistent flags, whatever. Yeah, so it's got to be like -k -v. Define flags, configuration settings, Cobra supports persistent flags, which will work with this command and all subcommands. Okay, so add command dot persistent flags dot string, and then we're gonna go with. Wait, supports local flags but only runs this command. It's called directly. Oh yeah, that's what we need actually. So we need to do add command dot flags dot bool. No. String value usage. It's your bool toggle. No, that's not what it is. It's like a flags dot string. Yeah, there we go. String value usage string. So it'd be like what is this? It's your key. Okay. The key to pass in for the configuration key value pair. Whoa, whoops. There we go. And then the value to pass in. Value B. Now let's see what that does. Right? So here's our args right here. Format print line add called format dot print line args. Whoa, not all that. Args. There you go. And that is add. So let's do a copy this one. Move that down. Do add. Whoops. Config add. Like that. So this will be config add k something -v another. Oh, not. Config add. I did it right there. Something another. Go set up. All right, come on. Say it is. This is. Yep. Not really sure. Okay, so like config file. Oh, persistent flags. That's probably what I want. var p. Let's do this. Dot persistent flags. So this one would be key, key, key. The key to pass and for the configuration key value pair. There we go, sort of. Yeah, broke. Good. Good for you. Damn it. Runtime error. Index out of range. 0. Oh. Are we not? What the heck? Come on, darn it. Add called. All right. So if we do go build and then burster config add help. Right. So burster config add key value should be this key key value the value. Do I have to do this? Maybe I have to do that. Damn it. Oh, and then I have to do these. Set config files, add config path. Okay, that's all added. Set config name. Oh yeah, config name is, what did I call it? Dot burster dot yaml. Right, yeah, okay. Okay, and this is root commands toggle. need those. Nope. Not doing anything with the root, just this. Okay. Clean that up a little bit. Now you can we can at least get to it all. Oh, this is hella frustrating. I swear I did this before. Assign flags to your command. Persistent flags. Viper. I don't want to do that. This thing says string VP. Let's put required in there. There, and then oh, what does it do here though? So we got a flags, root command dot. Oh, yeah, okay. This one is add command dot mark flag required value. Okay. And then root command, these are gone. And region. Oh, and let's do minimum arguments. Oh, minimum and maximum arguments. Ah, let's do this. You'll report an error if they're not exactly in positional args, or if there are any positional args that are not in the valid args field of command. Oh, let's do this. So it says this, and then errors.new. Hello world. Well, where is custom validator set? short, and then args. Should there be args? Ah, there is args. Okay, args. Okay, funk. Oh, cool. Okay, funk. If my app, what is this? Oh, it's the thing. Whatever this is. If burster dot maybe actually, can you do args dot? Oh, damn it. I don't get it. So, command, Cobra command, hello. This thing. Oh, if exact valid args to thing turn no. Oh, that's not what I want. I want to. Okay, this is pissing me off. Get stuck on this part. Cobra command, hello world. Two are the top level, one is the child. Accomplished by run root command. Oh, Cobra. Oh, that's what I need to do right there. Damn it, args. Thought it was simpler than what I was trying to do. Dot exact valid args 2, and then you just you nip it there. Oh, yeah, and you got to end with a comma, right? Yep. Okay. There we go. So now, let's try that. Burster. What do you mean? They're right there. then, okay, so let's do key. Right, needs an argument. So this. Oh, there ain't even a default, is there? Nope. Yep, not following it. Anybody got any ideas? Because seriously. Well, I don't know. Who should we raid? I'm wrapping it up for today. I'm beat. Who's out there? Who's out there doing it? Who's out there tearing up some stuff? So we got Tim Baudet, Seropian, Code Enjoy, the Michael Jolly. He's still out there? What's he doing? Oh, he's hosting me. But it's still weird. Sometimes things just don't show up right. Do Right is doing pen testing. Tim Baudet, Code Enjoy. Yeah, we're gonna go raid Tim Baudet today. Yep, that's what we're gonna do. Tim. Oh God, I have to spell that. That's not gonna be easy. Tim Baudet. So, in about 15 seconds, we will be raiding Tim. I hope you join me on this raid. Thanks for joining me today. Thanks for the raid. Everybody have a good one. As always, keep thrashing the code, and I will catch you next time.